A very good morning, dear children. Welcome back to your EVS class. Children, in EVS, we have done chapter 16 Transport and Communication. Right? We have done this chapter very nicely. I have explained you each and every line from the chapter. So, children, today we will be reading the chapter thoroughly and then I'll explain you the exercises which are given in your book. Okay? And you have to do those exercises in your book only. Okay, so let's start reading. Chapter 16 Transport and Communication. All those things which make our work and life easy are called machines. We are surrounded by machines today. For example, we use bus, train, or aeroplane to go from one place to another. All these machines are different means of transport. Similarly, we use telephones and mobile phones to keep in touch with our dear ones. These machines are the means of communication. In this chapter, we will learn about the modern machines that we use as means of transport and as means of communication. Different means of transport. We use different means of transport every day for traveling to different places. Transport carries both people and goods. When we have to travel a short distance, we use a cycle, a car, an auto rickshaw, or a scooter. If the place is very far, we use a train or an aeroplane. Therefore, the kind of transport we choose to travel depends upon the distance to be covered and the time that we can spend on traveling. We also need to carry goods from one place to another. Have you seen trucks carrying goods from one place to another? Can you name a few more means of transport which are used to transport goods and people? Trains are also used to carry goods besides people over large distances. Similarly, waterways can be made use of for transportation by ships and steamers. Aeroplanes also carry goods and people to other countries in just a few hours. We see that different means of transport are available for traveling on land, air, and water. Land transport. All vehicles that move on land, like carts, rickshaws, cars, buses, trucks, and trains, are called means of land transport. Rickshaws and carts are pulled by human or animal energy. These are simple machines. On the other hand, modern machines like cars, trains, etc. are run by petrol or diesel. Land transport is the most common way of traveling in India. It is less expensive and has better connectivity throughout the country. Water transport. This is the oldest means of transport. Boats, ships, steamers, and rafts are the means of water transport. Large quantities of goods can be transported easily to far off places by water transport. Boats and ships are made in shipyards. The Indian Navy patrols the coastline in highly mechanized ships. Air transport. Aeroplanes, helicopters, hot air balloons, and airships are all means of air transport. Aeroplane is the fastest means of transport. Today, we have air services linking all the important cities in the country and in the world. Different means of communication. Apart from traveling to places, we also need to communicate with our friends and relatives. We can communicate with them through letters or through modern means of communication like telephones, mobile phones, emails, and fax machines. Story of a letter. A letter carries messages to your friends and relatives who live far away from you. It also carries greeting cards from you to them. Come on, write a letter on a nice decorative sheet of paper. Fold it and put it in an envelope. Now, turn it the right way up. You must learn how to write the address. You must write the receiver's name, address or house number, name of the town or city or village, name of the state, PIN code number, a postage stamp on the top right hand corner. Now your letter is complete. Take a short walk to the nearest red colored letter box and slip it into the slot. Your job is done. Now the postal department will start working. The postman will come and clear the letter box. He will then take all the letters to the post office. There, they will sort these letters into piles for each city or town or village. Then, these letters will be sent to those places by road, rail, air, or water transport. The post office in that city will receive them and again sort them out according to the colonies and houses by looking at the addresses on the envelopes. The postman will collect these envelopes and deliver it to their respective addresses. Modern means of communication. Telephone and cellular phone. These are machines with which you can talk to people living in different parts of the world. Messages can also be sent through short message service. Fax machine. A fax machine is like sending a letter through your phones. It sends an exact copy of your message in the form of an electronic letter through telephone. Email. Have you sent an electronic letter to someone? The internet service available on your computer or cellular phones can be used to send electronic mail or email. Sit with your parents and see how they send an email to your relatives. Things to remember. Modern machines have made our work and life easy. Machines that are used for transportation are called the means of transport. Scooters, buses, cars, etc. are all vehicles that move on land and are means of land transport. Means of water transport are boats and ships. Aeroplanes are the fastest means of transport. Telephone, mobile phones, fax, and emails are the modern machines used as means of communication. So our reading is completed. Now I am going to explain you the exercise work. Exercise number 1 is tick the correct option. आपको 2 ऑप्शन दिए गए हैं. आपको एक करेक्ट ऑप्शन जो है उसको टिक करना है. आपको हर सेंटेंस के साथ एक 2 ऑप्शंस दिए गए हैं. ठीक है, यू हैव टू चूज द करेक्ट वन. ए, एरोप्लेन इज द फास्टेस्ट मीन्स ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन और ट्रांसपोर्ट. ये आपको 2 ऑप्शंस दिए गए हैं, कम्युनिकेशन एंड ट्रांसपोर्ट. ठीक है, आपको इन दोनों में से एक जो करेक्ट आंसर है उसको टिक करना है. बी, बोथ people and goods can be transported through trucks or train. C, email can be sent through computer or radio. D, letter or fax is an instant delivery of written message by using a telephone. E, written messages that we send using computer is called a or an email or SMS. आपको बताना है SMS और एन ईमेल। ओके, अगर आप चैप्टर अच्छे से रीड करेंगे, फर्स्ट यू हैव टू रीड द चैप्टर 3 टाइम्स लाउडली। जब आप चैप्टर अच्छे से रीड कर लेंगे उसके बाद आप एक्सरसाइज वर्क करेंगे, देन इट विल बी वेरी इजी फॉर यू टू डू दीज एक्सरसाइजेज। ओके, अगर आप चैप्टर रीड नहीं करेंगे तो आप एक्सरसाइज अच्छे से नहीं कर पाएंगे। मुझे एक्सप्लेन करने की भी कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है अगर आपने चैप्टर बहुत अच्छे से रीड किया। चैप्टर के जो क्वेश्चन आंसर्स हैं वो आपने खुद किए होंगे, चैप्टर समझा होगा, वीडियो सुनी होंगी, तो आप बहुत इजीली एक्सरसाइज कर सकते हैं। ठीक है, तो एक्सरसाइज नंबर 1 में आपको हर स्टेटमेंट के साथ, हर सेंटेंस के साथ 2 ऑप्शंस दिए हैं, आपको करेक्ट पर टिक करना है। एक्सरसाइज नंबर 2, नेम द फॉलोइंग 3 मीन्स ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट यूज्ड बाय द स्टूडेंट्स टू गो टू स्कूल। आपको 3 मीन्स ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट के नेम लिखने हैं जो स्टूडेंट्स स्कूल जाने के लिए जिनमें ट्रैवल करते हैं, यूज़ करते हैं। ओके, B, 3 मीन्स ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट यू वुड यूज़ इफ़ यू वांटेड टू गो ऑन एन आइलैंड फॉर अ वैकेशन। अगर आप किसी आइलैंड पर वैकेशन के लिए चाहते हैं तो आप कौन से 3 ट्रांसपोर्ट का यूज़ करेंगे। आइलैंड आपको पता होगा शायद क्या होता है, व्हाट इज़ एन आइलैंड? एन आइलैंड इज़ अ पीस ऑफ लैंड सराउंडेड बाय वाटर ऑन ऑल साइड्स। चारों तरफ से जो वाटर से घिरा होता है, चारों तरफ वाटर होता है, तो उसे आइलैंड बोलते हैं। तो अगर किसी आइलैंड पर आप वैकेशन के लिए जाना चाहते हैं तो आप कौन से 3 ट्रांसपोर्ट का, मीन्स ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट का यूज़ करेंगे। ओके, C, any 2 vehicles with 2 wheels, 3 wheels, 4 wheels। आपको 2 व्हीकल्स के नाम लिखने हैं, जिसमें 2 व्हील्स हों उनके लिखने हैं आपको नाम, जिनमें 3 व्हील्स हों और जिनमें 4 व्हील्स हों। ठीक है, एक्सरसाइज नंबर 3, फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स। A, today most people use an email to send dash। आज ज़्यादातर लोग ईमेल का यूज़ करते हैं क्या भेजने के लिए, क्या सेंड करने के लिए। B, dash helps you send a letter through your phones। क्या हेल्प करता है हमें, हमारे फ़ोन से हम एज इट इज़ एक इंस्टेंट लेटर भेज सकते हैं। किसके थ्रू, किसकी हेल्प से? ठीक है, वो आपको लिखना है, आपने चैप्टर में अभी पढ़ा भी है। एक इंस्टेंट लेटर होता है, मैसेज होता है, ठीक है, उसको हम फ़ोन से भेज सकते हैं। C, dash and dash are used to carry goods and people through waterways। वाटरवेज के थ्रू गुड्स और पीपल को एक जगह से दूसरी जगह ले जाया जा सकता है, भेजा जा सकता है। उन 2 आपको वाटरवेज के नाम लिखने हैं। D, we can talk to people who are far away over the dash। जो लोग हमसे दूर हैं हम उनसे कैसे बात कर सकते हैं, over the dash। Okay, so children you have to do these 3 exercises, exercise number 1, exercise number 2 and exercise number 3। Okay, आपको ये करनी है 3 exercises which are given in your book on page number 101। Okay, do these exercises carefully, read the chapter 3 times loudly, okay, and do your work carefully and neatly in your book। Okay children, thank you so much, stay home, stay safe and stay happy।